Hey everyone. Today we're diving into the brand new GenAI security capabilities built into Check Point CloudGuard. This update is a direct result of Check Point's recent acquisition of Lakera, a GenAI security startup that's been doing incredible work protecting large language model environments. And now, those innovations are part of the Check Point Infinity platform, giving you protection that's both smart and scalable. Now, if you're familiar with the CloudGuard WAF architecture, this will look familiar. It's a dual-layer protection system. Layer 1 is all about detection and prevention, stopping malicious activity before it ever reaches your LLM. And Layer 2 focuses on contextual refinement, filtering false positives to deliver a clean, high-fidelity experience for both users and developers. Let's start with Layer 1. Layer 1 is powered by 4 AI classification engines working in real time: prompt injection prevention, content control, data leakage prevention, and usage control. Prompt injection prevention stops jailbreaks or manipulative prompts before they can override your LLM. Content control ensures responses stay compliant with corporate policies and ethical boundaries. Data leakage prevention automatically detects and blocks sensitive data before it leaves the system, and usage control prevents resource abuse and keeps your AI services running efficiently. Now, together, these create a shield around your LLM, making sure that your generative apps behave as intended, not as attackers wish they would. Now, let's talk about Layer 2. This layer was built in-house at Check Point, drawing inspiration from our behavioral analysis engine in the WAF. It adds context and intent understanding on top of traditional rule sets. It's made of 4 refinement engines: user behavior, crowd behavior, trusted users, and the semantic engine. Now, the user behavior looks for anomalies, spotting them when something doesn't fit a user's usual pattern. Crowd behavior compares each request to what other legitimate users are doing. Trusted users recognizes verified or privileged accounts, reducing unnecessary alerts. Then we come to the semantic engine, an unsupervised model that understands human language in context. Here's how that works. The engine takes every input and clusters it based on sentence structure and contextual meaning. If an input looks like normal traffic, it passes through. But if it looks manipulative or out of pattern, it's grouped with other malicious clusters and flagged in real time. The best part? It's not a static model. It learns from your environment, adapting continuously for a perfect fit over time. Now, for deployment options, we've made this incredibly flexible. You can deploy inline between your users and the app, inline between the app and the LLM, or directly in your code with our developer API. Fast, flexible, cloud native. Now let's jump into the product. We're here in the CloudGuard WAF dashboard under the Web Application API Security, looking at our protected asset, ShopperBot AI. You can see that our GenAI security best practices are turned on. Here's the configuration panel. Everything from prompt injection prevention to data leakage, content control, it's all managed right here. And you can apply the policies to inputs or outputs and fine-tune your environment with a few clicks. Usage control is actually disabled here, but we recommend enabling it. It prevents abuse and helps control operational costs. Now, let's head over to the Monitor tab. This is where you get complete visibility into your AI environment. You can see top attack types, data leakage patterns, severity breakdowns, and real-time analytics for every AI event. It's the same depth of insight you expect from Check Point, now extended into your generative AI workloads. Now let's see it in action. Here we have an unprotected chatbot. If we try to inject a malicious prompt, it responds and sensitive data is exposed. Not good. Now, on our protected site, we'll run that same prompt again. This time, instantly blocked. Let's go check out the log. You can see the matched sample, the reason it was blocked, and exactly which engine caught it. The system identified it as malicious, stopped it in real time, and this is all done before any data was exposed. That's what real GenAI security looks like. It's integrated, adaptive, and immediate. And with Lakera's GenAI security technology now a part of Check Point's Infinity platform and our award-winning WAF, we're giving customers the confidence to innovate with AI securely. So whether you're building chatbots, copilots, or large-scale AI applications, CloudGuard protects your generative AI systems from the inside out. CloudGuard WAF. It's lightning-fast security for the hyper-connected world.